Hi guys, so only one day, and today is 16th July. That means tomorrow, 8 p.m. India time, we will be starting our 6 days PLC training program, Siemens S7 PLC training program. It's a programming intensive training, I would say. From basic, we'll cover some of the basics and then start doing sample problem solving programs, and hope to see you. And my emails, if you have not received, please check your WhatsApp in your inbox junk folder. Maybe some of you have replied that you are not getting email through WhatsApp. Anyway, I just got a report that this video I have sent through email is not actually playing, giving error, something like this. This video I shared only to focus on this downloading software. How to download the software, from where I have given the URL. So you don't need to watch the video, just read through it. I have everything here in the description, the same thing in the video as well. Anyway, this is the link you see, and only the DVD part. Why is not okay? Some other link is opening. Why so? Let me just click this. It's not right URL as well. So it's something like download TI portal version 16. I think this is the URL. So it is redirecting. In case if you are getting the same problem like I am getting from this URL, I'm not able to download, then please use Google and see where from you can download. But if you have already installed the software TI portal, any version, you can just search start menu, and you will find something like this. If it is version 13, 14, 15, whatever, if it is installed, then you don't have to download and reinstall again. You can manage working on your existing software. Its programming part is not much different. Actually, it's almost same thing. You will not notice the difference. And for activating, you can go to this link and just follow along the video I have given in this description as well. So here is the description, step-by-step process how can you activate the software. If you are just newly installing the software or just installed, it has 21 days trial period, so you don't need activation before 21 days. That means at least you can run 21 days without activation code. It will be full version like, except that it will expire after 21 days. So please get ready. Your laptop or PC should be ready with this software now. Actually, you can click on this menu and start, see whether you can open or not. That way we can actually get straight into the training, and we will not waste too much time. And thank you for participating in this training. And if you are not yet registered and paid, please do so. Hope to see you on day after tomorrow. I will send you the meeting link, so be ready. Meeting link may be sent on both WhatsApp as well as email. Thank you.